We will be guided by the sectors, the priority areas as expressed by the President. Yung menu po na inilatag ng ating Pangulo. We will, of course, take into consideration during today's deliberations the need to prioritize education, health, agriculture, labor, and other sectors that pertain to human capital development. Kasi yun nga po yung gusto nating gawin, which is to make the fiscal year 2026 budget an education budget, a health budget, a human capital development centered budget. So that is what we're going to take into consideration today. The greatest challenge before the subcommittee is to reallocate these amounts in a manner consistent with the priorities already outlined in the General Appropriations Bill and the prescribed menu of sectors, ensuring that the reallocations remain fully aligned with a broader fiscal policy direction. But more importantly, we want to ensure that we are able to reallocate it in the way that the budget will be most responsive to the needs of the Filipino people.